Only saltwater and Siamese crocodiles are chosen. Their belly scales are perfectly square, smooth, and symmetrical, nature's most perfect leather. Each crocodile is raised for 3 years minimum. Their food, water, and environment are controlled perfectly. One scar on the skin means thousands of dollars lost. Before harvest, each crocodile is measured and graded. Only grade 1, absolutely perfect skin with 0 blemishes, goes to luxury brands. The hide enters an acid pickle bath, a precise mixture of salt and formic acid that stabilizes the pH and opens the leather fibers for tanning. Harvesting is done by trained specialists only. Every cut follows a precise map. The belly panel is sacred, worth more than most people's monthly salary. The skin is peeled away from the body in one slow, careful motion. Any tear or puncture at this stage destroys the entire skin's value. The moment the skin is removed, coarse sea salt is applied immediately and generously. This stops bacterial decay and locks in the skin's natural structure. The salted skin is carefully rolled, packed, and shipped to elite tanneries in France and Italy, the only places trusted by luxury brands. The skin arrives at a tannery that has been operating for over 200 years. These walls have processed leather for Hermès, Gucci, and Louis Vuitton. The dried salted skin goes into large soaking tanks for 24 hours, slowly rehydrating every fiber back to its original supple state. Strong lime solution is applied for 48 hours. It dissolves all remaining fat, tissue, and protein, leaving only the pure collagen fiber structure. A precision fleshing machine removes every last trace of flesh from the inner surface, creating a perfectly uniform thickness across the entire skin. Luxury brands demand only vegetable tanning, using oak and chestnut bark extracts. This process takes 6 weeks but creates leather that lasts 100 years. The hides rotate slowly in large wooden drums. The tanning agents penetrate deep into every fiber, transforming raw skin into true leather. A computer-guided shaving machine trims the leather to within 0.1 millimeter of the target thickness. Consistency here determines the quality of every bag made. Retanning agents, resins, synthetic tannins, and natural extracts are massaged deep into the leather, giving it that signature buttery softness. The leather rotates in dyeing drums for 4 hours. The color must penetrate every single fiber. Surface dyeing alone is never accepted by luxury houses.
Fat liquoring oils are injected into the leather fibers under pressure. This is the secret step that gives luxury crocodile leather its extraordinary feel.
The leather is stretched by hand onto stainless steel frames, locking in its final dimensions and allowing the natural scale pattern to rise beautifully. A glazing machine applies thousands of pounds of pressure, compressing the scales and creating that unmistakable high-gloss shine of luxury crocodile leather. Every centimeter is examined under bright lights. Even a pinhole rejects the entire skin. The certified leather arrives at the luxury atelier. Master craftsmen lay paper patterns by hand, planning every cut to use the skin perfectly. Each piece is cut with a single, confident stroke. There are no second chances. One wrong cut wastes thousands of dollars of irreplaceable leather. Every cut edge is painted by hand, up to 8 coats applied one at a time, each dried before the next. This step alone takes 3 hours per bag. The saddle stitch, used for centuries, is done entirely by hand with 2 needles. It is stronger than any machine stitch and will never unravel. 18-karat gold-plated hardware, each clasp, buckle, and zipper pull is fitted by hand with jeweler's precision. The hardware alone costs over $500. The interior is lined with hand-cut silk, stitched by hand to sit perfectly flat. The inside of a $50,000 bag must be as perfect as the outside. Every panel, strap, and gusset comes together in the final assembly. In these hands, a flat piece of skin becomes an icon of human craftsmanship. The completed bag spends 2 hours in final inspection. Every stitch is counted, every scale is checked, every millimeter of hardware is tested. The bag receives a final hand polish with premium leather conditioner. bringing every scale to life and deepening the color to its maximum richness. A hot stamp presses the brand's mark permanently into the leather, along with a unique serial number that authenticates this bag forever. The bag is wrapped in tissue paper, placed in a handmade cotton dust bag, then into a lacquered box, packaging that itself costs over $200 to produce. The finished bag is flown directly to boutiques in Paris, Dubai, and New York, placed under museum-quality spotlights, waiting for its owner. 3 years on a farm, 6 weeks of tanning, 100 hours of hand craftsmanship. This is not just a bag. This is the most extraordinary object human hands can create.